Hi, this is Matt Grigsby, Motion Specialist with C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a motion product moment to highlight why you should make a migration plan for your Siemens Micromaster drives now. Do you or your customers have Micromaster drives turning shafts or other processes? Are some of these operations mission critical? Micromaster drives officially became obsolete on October 1st, 2019. What does this mean? Lead times and costs have increased for replacements and will likely continue to until production stops due to lack of component availability. The Sinamics drives have proven to be extremely robust, just like their predecessors. With improvements to safety function, diagnostics, communication, commissioning, and more, the Sinamics drives are the ideal replacement. That's Siemens Micromaster to Sinamics migration. For more information on this or any of the other unique and cool products from Siemens, reach out to your technology consultant from C&E Advanced Technologies.